The T4070 was the designation given by the automatic telephone manufacturing company in Liverpool, England, to the set known by the GPO as the 232, mounted here on Bell Set T4058, equivalent to GPO Bell Set 26. The 232 was successor to GPO Telephone No. 162, improving upon it by having the anti-side tone and induction coils wound on the same bobbin and enclosed within the telephone case, rather than in the Bell Set. Accordingly, the induction coil in Bell Set No. 25 was no longer needed, so Bell Set No. 26 was produced, containing only the ringer and capacitor. The 162, distinguishable by its narrower cradle, and the 232, when mounted on their respective Bell Sets, became a combination desk telephone, albeit heavy, cumbersome, and comprised of an impracticable number of parts, held together by unique bolts, and linked electrically by the remarkable 8-inch core instrument number 631E. 4070s were usually fitted with an ATM Type 24 dial, but this example has a GPO Type 10 made by ATM in 1939. The label is of course not original, as this set was recovered in the 1960s from PAX use. There are no GPO markings. The handset is marked ATM, and the paste are AE Co Limited, Liverpool. So now here's the usual demonstration. And finally, thanks to www.telephonesuk.org.uk/sounds. 2 speaking clocks, arguing as heard through the receiver of the 4070.
As the third stroke, it will be 7, 2, and 40 seconds. As the third stroke, it will be 8:57 precisely. As the third stroke, it will be 7, 2, and